Hello everyone, it's Graham from Lakeside, and well, what a week so far, and it's only Wednesday. On Monday I had my 68th birthday, and that was great. Yesterday at 9 o'clock I picked up a hire van and we drove down to Sussex. Prior to that we loaded up the scooter into the van to take that down to Sussex, ready for the weekend, this coming weekend, for the big Brighton run, which I've been banging on about for ages. So that's down at Sussex now, all ready and prepared. And while I was driving down there, I was thinking about Lakeside and bits and pieces about it, and I came up with an idea that what I'd like to do is to mount the camera, the Mobus camera, this one, behind the Silver Fox when the smoke is going. And I initially thought of having it on the tender here, just mounting it on front of the coal here, which I tried, but the problem is that the focal length of the Mobus is fixed, and so when it was on here, the smoke coming out of here, out of the funnel, was actually not in focus. So I put a coach on and mounted it slightly further back, as you can see, so that it's on the roof of the first coach. And I did a little test, and it came out okay. So it's the smoke itself is in focus now. My only problem is that it won't go under the bridge because it's too high, and of course the footbridge I've taken off because it wouldn't go underneath there as well. So I'm running it on the inner track, because the inner track doesn't go under the bridge, it curves around the bridge, so it's got a clear run for it. And yeah, it kind of works all right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a proper running of it, like it is there, and also I'm going to see if I can have another loco on here following this in the same direction, so you will see the front of the Silver Fox sort of about here with the camera, if I can get it going at a suitable speed, keeping them in tandem. So that's what I'm going to try and do. I haven't done any work at all on Lakeside since the last video. I've just been so busy trying to prepare the scooter for Brighton, and also other bits and pieces, as I say, along with my birthday celebrations. Then that's taken up time as well over the weekend plus Monday. So I haven't even taken off the old locos I had running. So you will see them parked up there. There's the 350 there, plus the DRS 68, and over there I've got the class 73, and over there I've got another 350. I will have those on the top level running just to give a bit of movement, so you'll have to forgive me. It's, you know, obviously mixed eras there, but hey, who cares. I'm really just after the effect of what's going to happen here. So there we are. It's going to be a short video, hurrah, and we'll see how it goes. No music on this, it'll just be the sound of the trains. This has got sound on it, and the smoke. We'll see how it comes out. So I think this will probably be my last video until after the weekend, and hopefully the next video will be, for those interested, will be shots of the scooter Brighton run on the Sunday. As long as the weather holds out, then we should be all okay. I'm really excited about this, obviously, and you will probably see me acting a bit of a prat at Brighton, but that's purely because of excitement more than anything else. I'm wound up like a spring at the moment. I'm just so excited about it all. So there we go. So just a quick video for now of this to see how it goes, and hopefully it'll come out all right. In the meantime, have a great weekend. Drive safe wherever you're going, and hopefully I'll speak to you early part of next week-ish, when I hopefully will load up the video of Brighton. If you're not interested when you see it, just don't bother clicking on it. You know, I fully understand that not everybody will be interested in seeing my scooter and 3,000 other scooters. So don't worry about that. If you don't want to watch it, that's fine. Absolutely fine. Okay, people. So bye for now, and hopefully you will enjoy this. So bye for now.